Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What a beautiful day today. What a beautiful day. Very important day for India, very important day for Bharatvarsh. So it is Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Happy Gandhi Jayanti, ladies and gentlemen. 2nd October. 2nd October is the day of Mahatma Gandhi. It is the day of Mahatma Gandhi. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi Mohan Das Karamchand Gandhi, the father of the nation, the father of India, who gave us independence. So, cutting it short, ladies and gentlemen, Mahatma Gandhi is much more relevant today than he was ever. Why? Because you just see that during the last 100 years or more, first time in the modern scientific world, we have seen Corona. Corona has put us in the homes. Corona has caged us. It has prisoned us. And then you just see that Mahatma Gandhi is the answer. Mahatma Gandhi is the answer for Corona. And I'll tell you that how Mahatma Gandhi is relevant today, and he is the answer for Corona. Let's just see what Mahatma Gandhi stood for. Ladies and gentlemen, you know that Mahatma Gandhi said embrace nature. Embrace nature. Embrace nature was the first point, that if you are having a big problem, you just see that there was a time when Mahatma Gandhi was having severe constipation, and immediately he somebody suggested him, and he used, ladies and gentlemen, the technology of the earthers mechhund tem pötkar te mitti की पट्टियां उन्होंने कर ली. So Mahatma Gandhi used the hot and cold earthen cloth technology on the stomach overnight, just to get rid of constipation. There were so many good things about Mahatma. Gandhi told that if allopathy fails, go to yoga, go to naturopathy. He just believed in naturopathy, ladies and gentlemen. And at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, Mahatma Gandhi told that we should do fasting. There should be rest even for the stomachs. Fasting detoxifies everything inside. Fasting gives an opportunity to the human body to adjust in its natural form. It detoxifies, and then the heart, it fixes the heart, it fixes the kidneys, it fixes the diabetes, it fixes lungs, it fixes so many toxins, oxidants, and the negative energy. Three things: toxins, negative energy, and the oxidants. It fixes. So fasting is very important, and that is what exactly Mahatma Gandhi did. He practiced fasting also. And the third biggest thing that I salute Mahatma Gandhi for, so वनान ये कि आज़ादी गछ ऐसे ज़रूर हिंदुस्तानस, मगर तम ब्रोंड गछ ऐसे आज़ादी गंदी की निश. So Mahatma Gandhi, ladies and gentlemen, told that we need to have the freedom from dirt and filth. Before we have the freedom, the political freedom and other. In 19th, India got independence on 15th August 1947. This was his saying. And how many big things I'll tell about Mahatma Gandhi. So he told that cleanliness is next to godliness. If you have to pray, that is what Narendra Modi also told. Narendra Modi ji also told recently. It was before the temples we need to have the toilets before temples. देवालय से पहले शौचालय पहले देवालय बाद में. That is what exactly, and that's why he embarked on thousands and millions of toilets all over India. So cleanliness is next to godliness. And another big point that Mahatma Gandhi told was that eat less, eat what you need, eat as per your need. Your greed should not be above your need. Your need should be above your greed. That is need above greed. That's what Mahatma Gandhi told. And at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, he did the walk, he did the physical exercise activity daily. That was the best part about Mahatma Gandhi. Means walk before you fall down, before you diseases attack you and then they crumble you and they just crush you. Walk, run, swim, do the physical activity. So walking was a lifestyle of Mahatma Gandhi. So ladies and gentlemen, so walking, eat less, fasting, cleanliness is next to godliness, non-violence, and embrace the nature. That are the hallmarks of Gandhi, and we salute Gandhiji on this very, very important day of 2nd October 2020, when we are all infested with corona, and this is a very biggest enemy that we have to deal by increasing immunity the way Mahatma Gandhi told. So ladies and gentlemen, just Mahatma Gandhi, not a simple personality, not just have a look. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, the anecdotes of Mahatma: embrace nature, cleanliness is next to godliness, service before self. So service before self, eat less, fast for stomach, give stomach also some rest, and walk daily. So ladies and gentlemen, the best part about Mahatma Gandhi was say that he kept his poise, he kept his patience, he kept his cool, and even though he was at bar at law, he was such an educated person, he just gave away all the clothes just with two clothes, because he said that rest of the people cannot have clothes. Why should I be on the English suit boot? So just see, ladies and gentlemen, what a great message the father of the nation